Where's Dad? Is that him? I don't know. I got him a smoothie. So let's look on Life 360 and see where he is. Maybe that's him. Oh, it is. Perfect. Smoothie delivery. Okay, I'm gonna give him Dolly. Because, Dolly, get over here. Come on. Come here. I didn't ask her to mix it. I don't know. I am going to bail now to bring my mom her coffee and drop. We just got like hundreds of t-shirts for the pumpkin patch. We sell them in our gift store. So I'm gonna drop those off down there and then come back up here and bail. That is that, and I'll show you what they look like. There's a lot of different colors, but there they are. How fun. This is one of those jobs that when you start to look away and do something else instead of watching it, it goes haywire. So that's a little difficult for me because I can't pay attention for long. Yep, going swimmingly right now. My dad called me freaking out about Dolly. He thought that she might have gotten into something in the combine, but you know, she's an angel. She wouldn't do that, right? We're at about 12%, 11% moisture, and we don't really like to go over 18. Jack's just getting it done over there with the skid steer. And we stack them up and then put them on the trucks. And it's easier when you just go around and stack them too high. And then when the trucks come, you can just grab them and put them on. I'll try to get a video of that, but we'll see. So that's what we use to stack all the bales on the trucks. So this is like pretty close to our farm right here where I'm baling now. And this right here, this grass strip, is our runway. It once was our runway for our planes. When our grandfather was alive, he would fly planes. And even though the planes are not in use anymore, and this could very easily be one big field instead of two, we still keep and maintain this runway kind of as just a memorial to him, and also just it's always been like this, and I honestly think it's pretty cool.